Hey guys, so since the top details of the Doogee S118 has been leaked, I guess it's high time that I compare it with the Doogee S110, which is its predecessor. Now let's compare the specs of both devices to see the differences and similarities between both devices. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there we go guys, the S118 versus the S110. Now which of the two devices do you think is actually best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.